Hi guys, and welcome to the trade-off. If you haven't subscribed or seen any of these videos, then please click subscribe in the bottom right hand corner and watch my journey as I've grown this account already from $1,052 to $1,573 in a matter of 1 month. That's 50% growth, guys, using the Strat 93, which you'll find about more in my first video. I'll put that above. There's a little bit of an introduction to the strat and what the trade-off is really all about. So the other exciting thing, guys, we have currently is a prize to learn this incredible strat. I'll teach you it right from start to finish, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and I'll put you in the hat at the end of June 2019, which is a couple of months away. I will pull someone out of the hat and teach them that strat. So yeah, if you want that, then please subscribe and we'll go from there. So I've been doing the Strat 93 now on this real account since, like I said, March, and grown 50% already, capital growth. And this is our 13th trade. All 12 out of 12 so far have been completely profitable and have grown this account. So you know, not one negative trade, which is very exciting times. We are currently in the Australian New Zealand dollar. It's on the 15-minute chart at the moment, and as you can see, last night it got me in just at this point here, and it's come slightly down and back up again, and now we're at our next entry point here. At quite a high leverage, as you can see. I talked about this last on my last trade, which was trade 10, 11 and 12. You can see that video as well above here now, and the reason we do it at such high leverage is because Aussie New Zealand dollar rarely moves very far, you see. So we're going to hopefully get out of this trade today, and we're looking for a drawback right down to around about here, to get out in our mean get out point. So if it does go all the way down there today, we're looking at around about 40-50 pounds or dollars, sorry, win on that, which would be great. So we'll see how the day goes, guys. I'll let you know, and I'll update you as soon as the market moves. Hi guys, just an update on this Aussie New Zealand dollar trade. As you can see, obviously the extreme price that we originally got in at was down here. It went then down to here. The mean was somewhere down here at that point. But as you can see, it's slowly kind of just gone up and then down, then up and down, and it's just kind of gone one way really, and it's not come, as you can see, very far down at all. The biggest day that it came down was here, and the mean actually at that point was still here. So unfortunately, we've just not been able to get out. It's just been a consistently small increases every single sort of day. We've been in this now for just over a week, and it's probably one of our longest trades that we've been in. Unfortunately, at the moment, there just doesn't seem to be a one down day. Every single day on the day chart has actually been green. So it's not been the best trade so far. We've had to get in now quite a few times. As you can see, I'm in 4 times, one at the bottom at 0.08. I'm in a sell 30 pips higher at 0.16 there. The reason it's 30, again, like I said, guys, on the previous bit, you know, Aussie New Zealand dollar doesn't go very far, as you can see on the daily basis here, but so therefore the leverage is higher, but also the gap between is not 50 pips on this particular currency. On all other currencies, the other 3 that we do, other 4, sorry, that we do a 50 pip as a minimum. On this, we do a 30 to 40 pip, depending on how far or how big it's moved, and it's really personal decision on this. So as you can see, we've done the 0.16 there, then we've got 0.22, and then obviously a 0.28 right at the top there. And I'm hoping now that this will come down to the mean. As the mean's climbed up, the mean's around about here at the moment. My take profit is here, which is ideally what I'd like. But if it comes down to here again and hits that support there, I am definitely going to get out. So watch this space, guys. I'll update you, and hopefully we might be able to make a little bit of profit, probably break even, maybe even lose a little bit of money depending on how far it comes down, basically. So I hope this is going to be a good positive trade, but it could be the sign of our first loss to date out of 13 trades. So we'll see how it goes, but like I said, it's not a perfect strategy. It is 93% of the time, and let's just hope that we come out with a steamer. All right, I'll catch up with you guys later when this is completed. Hi guys, we are back finally, and the trade is now completed, and funnily enough, thankfully we've got out with a profit as well, which I'm quite surprised at. When the mean comes up high enough, usually it's kind of like a break-even trade, maybe a small loss. But on this occasion, thankfully, we have definitely got out with a profit, which is brilliant. I'm really chuffed. We actually got out earlier in the day. I haven't managed to record until now, but we got out on the down arrow. If you see that candle, which is perfectly on now on the down arrow, that is a little red one just down here, and that's the one we got out on this morning. We got out about halfway up it. It was a bit more of a green candle when we got out on it, but I thought it would change direction and go back up, which it has done. So we got out. That was actually slightly below the mean as well. The mean was about here, but I actually woke up this morning with it down here. So, went right through the mean, which is fantastic. And we got probably the lowest point we're going to get. But as you can see, it's a very strong support all the way along here now. It's sort of bounced off a couple of times. So it was the right decision to make anyway, because it was the mean, but it was obviously right as well in terms of the direction it was going. So really, really chuffed to get out of that with a profit. Let me show you what's happened here. As you can see, history. Today, of all dates, we have made £33.24, so just over 3%. As you can see, we did get in 4 times. I showed you that on the last little sort of section. And the top one we got out was 65. There's next one down 22, and then we lost 17 and 25. So overall, we came out with a 33.24 profit, which is great. It's still a profit nonetheless. The strategy still really works well. And let's just show you here. Oh, we're on the right place. Balance now is up to 1,638, which is just fantastic, guys. Just consistently growing, nice and steadily, adding percentages here, there, and everywhere. Trade so far, let's take this back to the custom period of the 4th of March, which is where we actually started this whole thing. And you can see here overall profits now reaching £586, which is just fantastic. Really, really, really good. So yeah, everything's going well. We're not in any other trades at the moment. In fact, this month to date, we've only had 2 trades. So unlike last month where we had 12 trades, it's a lot slower this month, which is a bit of a shame. But at the end of the day, we're doing really, really well on our profits, and we'll continue to grow and grow and grow. So guys, again, if you like this, please follow, subscribe. If you do subscribe, I will add you into that pot that we talked about at the start, where I'm going to teach someone at the end of June the entire strategy. Like I say, it's 93%. It's doing really well so far. We're on a total of just over 55% growth to date. So, in 1.5 months, not bad at all.